In this video, I'm going to show you how to add period separators on TradingView mobile. Now, TradingView calls period separators session breaks, and you can easily add them by going down to the bottom right of your screen. So where you can see when you open your chart, at the bottom right of your chart, there's going to be this settings cogwheel. So you want to tap on that settings cogwheel, scroll to the bottom, and you want to tap on more settings. In here at the top left, you want to tap on the arrow back, and there we go. You're now inside your chart settings. You want to go to events at the very bottom, and then in here, as you can see, it's going to say session breaks over here towards the bottom. So you want to tap on the check mark next to session breaks, and of course you can change the color of their appearance as well. Then tap on OK at the bottom, and there we go. You've successfully added session breaks or period separators on TradingView mobile. Okay, now these are available inside intraday time frames, so if you're trying to see them inside like multiple days, you won't be able to do them, but like on hourly charts and stuff like that, they're gonna be visible. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.